Okay, so now I want to focus in on how you correctly post the day at a glance. Remember, the first thing you'll post that'll be at the top of your stream every day will be the virtual schedule. Directly underneath that, so second to the top of your stream, will be the day at a glance. And that'll include the links to synchronous videos and asynchronous videos, as well as the links to all the assignments for Kipsters that were not able to attend the live sessions that day. So once that is fully updated, I'm going to copy and paste this and put that into, I'm going to start in Miss Avila's homeroom. I'll go back to the just regular stream and then share with your class. I'm going to copy and paste. So it is September 1st. I'm going to change that in both English and Spanish so that families can easily find it. Then I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to click Link. I want to be sure that I'm getting them directly to the day that they need, right? So for example, if they open up the whole week, that can be confusing. So if I'm posting it explicitly for September 1st, I want to make sure I'm copying that. So the way you do that is you're going to click on the slide. If you look here, look at the very top here, and you'll notice that the last two numbers here are 0_0. If I go here, all of a sudden I have a new website. It's 0_32. So I want to take them directly to the Tuesday link because it is Tuesday, September 1st. So I'm going to double click, triple click, click 10 times if you want to on Tuesday if I'm posting it for Tuesday. I will copy and paste this direct link. So I'll highlight it, right click, copy, and then back in my Google Classroom, I will post that link and click add link. And that'll take families directly to the correct website. So then I click post. Let's say now that it is Wednesday. So I've already gone through, I've cleaned up everything. I've already, ensured my schedule at the very top is updated. Now, this is a little bit simpler because I can just click here. I can edit this. I don't have to go back and recopy it. And it's 9/2 after 9/1. And so I'll change that here. I'm also going to delete this link. I'm going to click add a link. But I'm going to go back to my WAG and this time double click on Wednesday, which again is a new one. So I'm going to click this link now so that when families or students click on the day at a glance, they can very easily get to the correct day. So I'll go back here. I'm going to copy and paste this, add link, save, and I've now updated it for the next day. So it's pretty simple to do that. On Mondays, you're also going to want to put this on the classwork page. So if I go to week at a glance, I would just click here. And add my week at a glance to this portion.